Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing a clean, well-lit workspace and the listed tools. This prevents lost parts and contamination. Once done, remove the 4 visible screws and the hidden screw under the label. Keep them sorted by location. Next, use a plastic spudger to separate the rear shell from the front around the top edge. Pause if the triggers resist. Open gently because the battery clip and ribbon cable connect the halves. Disconnect the battery first to avoid shorting anything. Once the board is exposed, unclip the plastic shield and lift the PCB just enough to access the thumbstick module. Make note of connector orientation for reassembly. Use compressed air to blow out dust, then lightly swab around the potentiometer with 90% isopropyl to remove grime that causes drift. If cleaning fails, swap in a replacement joystick module. This may need basic soldering or desoldering skills. Make sure to avoid excess force. You reattach the battery and ribbon cables, then align the shells and tighten screws evenly to avoid casing gaps. Power on the console and navigate to controller calibration. Check dead zones and stick responsiveness, making small adjustments as needed. If drift or erratic input remains, inspect solder joints for cold connections, re-clean the potentiometer, or attempt a firmware recalibration. As a final troubleshooting tip, if symptoms persist after these steps, replacing the joystick module is usually the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.